Boom, what's up? It's me, Coach P from Movement Athletics, and I'm here for this Movement Monday to share with you 3 unique types of push-ups that I don't think any of you have ever seen. And if you have seen them, maybe it's time you should try them, all right? 2 of them, I think you can start working now. 1 of them, it's more of a wow, see if you can do it later, okay? First thing we're gonna do is the archer push-up. Hands wide. Palms facing away, one arm stays straight as I come down, and I come up to the overside. Let me give you a double take so you can see both of those, twice each. That's 1, archer push-up. Your next one is called the bilateral push-up, all right? Check it out. You turn sideways, stick one leg out, and boom, bilateral push-up. I'll let you get a double take. See both sides. And now the final of the 3, the ox fist push-up, also known as the dorsal fin push up. Check it out. Top, right here. Hit those legs out and push. All I'm doing is pushing up through top of here. And those are 3 of your unique push-up movements, okay? 3 movements in exercise that maybe you've never seen, but they're all based off of the push-up. So there's 3 different ways to add fun and variety to your training. Have fun, move a lot, and be strong.